Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding surround with good educated people only, physically, digitally and mentally. So all the levels, on the physical level, on the digital level, on the mental level. So physically, in your physical life, physical reality, and digital, like this digital world, virtual reality. So what type of content you are watching on YouTube, what type of content you are watching on Facebook, what type of content you are watching on Instagram, what type of content you are watching on Google websites. So all that stuff. And mentally, with type of people you be with, mentally it is the most important, because if you are mentally surrounded with good educated people, then you will become digitally and physically also, because mental is will lead to your digital and physical surrounding with good educated people only if you are surrounded with mentally. So mentally surround with, make your mental travel friends, choose your mental travel friends, make your mental diet today. So make your mental diet plan. The most important thing is mental diet. We make our physical diet, but do we make our mental diet? Do you make your mental diet that in one day around 40 to 50,000 thoughts are coming, and you are the creator of your thoughts? Accepted that you are the creator of thoughts. Thought is not that come from anywhere. You are the creator of your thoughts. So you are the creator of your own thoughts. So create thoughts and make your mental diet plan. Okay, make your mental diet plan today only and right now. Don't like give it to any future date. Right now make a mental diet plan, that what type of people you are surrounded in your mental world. So change your mental diet plan. Physically you will not eat anything now, you will not eat anything, that you will only eat whatever will make you physically strong. So eat mental diet plan, make that diet which will make you mentally strong. So choose your mental diet plan. The most important thing is mental diet plan, and after that mentally, that will lead to change in physical reality and digital reality also. So physically, digitally and mentally surround with good educated people, and your mind will also become, and you will, like, it's not that you have to, like, you have to find your inner potential, but surround with good educated people only, and physically, digitally and mentally. So make your mental diet plan and make it right now. Don't wait for any next moment, and don't compare yourself with that. If someone is working this much time, then I will also work. Do you do how much you love to do? It's most about that what you love, like, and you also know like what is needed to be. And it's not that what you love to do. It's you will not like only like you have to do right things, but love your work. If you are loving it, you are living it every moment. Life is a manifestation of where the energy is flowing. So live every moment and live it to the fullest. So and surround with good educated people, physically, digitally and mentally, without any fear, complete freedom. Just change your complete mind completely. You can change it and start it right now. And show gratitude also, like don't always that we always want to improve more and more, but what right now, if you can feel the life, then it is great. It's that next moment is always a thought, but right now live it, feel the life and live it. And focus on your physical diet, mental diet and digital diet. And we will make the mental diet, we will come with like mental diet like what you can make if you are in field of like a different field. So what mental diet you can make, we will come with a mental diet plan today. So watch that video also, and that will be helpful. So this was all about the video. Thanks for watching the video.